नमो नमः। हरिः ओम्। पशूनां पतिं पापनाशं परेशं गजेन्द्रस्य कृत्तिं वसानं वरेण्यं जटाजूटमध्ये स्फुरत्काङ्गवारिं महादेवमेकं स्मरामि स्मरारिम्। हरिः ओम्। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्। नमो नमः। Last time we were left with the dialogue between Rama and Bharata. They were trying to convince each other. Rama wanted Bharata to go back to Ayodhya and look after the kingdom. While Bharata had made up his mind that he will not go to Ayodhya back, he will never accept the kingdom and he will be with Rama. That is his Ayodhya. He had clearly said that. So, he was not willing to go back and Rama wanted him to go back. So, he already argued with Lakshmana that I am also brother of Rama, so let me also do Shushrusha. So he goes out to bring water. So similarly, Lakshmana had also argued with Sita while coming to forest that I will, look after his left leg and you with right. Let me be the subordinate, to you and you take the right side, I'll take the left side. So this is how he had argued. Now similarly, Bharata is also doing the same thing. He says, I am younger one, so let me do the work of this getting water for Rama. So now he says, Rama says, Sushtu khalu iha Lakshmanaha sushrushayatu. You are right, that let Lakshmana offer his seva here. Tatrastho mam Bharataha shushrushayatu. When Bharata said to Lakshmana that Kramena shushrushishe, will do with Krama. You are elder one, I am the younger one. So with this, let us keep this Krama and offer our, seva to Rama. Then listening to the argument, Sita says, Aryaputra, nanu etenapi shushrushaitavyaha. Now let him also do your Sushrusha. And then Rama says, Sushtu khalu iha Lakshmanaha shushrushayatu tatrasthaha mam Bharataha shushrushayatu. By staying here, Sushtu means good. Let Lakshmana offer his seva to me from here. Iha. And tatrasthaha means tatra tishtati iti tatrasthaha. By staying there, that means in Ayodhya, mam Bharataha shushrushayatu. Now Bharata doesn't like this and he says, Prasidatu Aryaha. Prasidatu Aryaha. And he says, Ihasthasyami dehena tatrasthasyami karmana namna eva bhavataha राज्यम कृतरक्षम भविष्यति. He says, iha sthasyami, that means by staying here. Asmin vane dehena sthasyami. Iha sthasyami dehena tava shushrushanartham. Iti bhavaha. Tatra ayodhyam karmana. What is that karmana? What is that karma? Rajya paripalana karma kurvan. How he is going to do that? Sachivadidvarena ityartha. With the help of Sachivas etc., I will do the karma over there, but I will stay here. Tat kasya namna iti chet bhavatah namna Ramasya namna Ramasya eva idam rajyam iti krutaraksham bhavishyati. You know, how I will stay in here, I will stay in body, where by my work of administration, the kingdom will be protected in your name alone. Karmana, the karmani is the administration of the kingdom by appointing deputies. That is what he meant. Vatsa Kaikai Mata, Rama says, Ma evam. Notice that dvirukti. Not at all. Please don't do that. Don't think like this. He says, Bharata uktam ayuktam iti manyamanaha aha ma evam iti. Rama says, Vatsa Kaikai Mata, ma evam. He calls him Kaikai Mata. Kaikai Mata yasya saha Kaikai Mataha. Sumitra Mataha, Sumitra Mata yasya saha Sumitra Mataha. He says, Pitur niyogat aham agataha vanam. Pitur niyogat aham agataha vanam. I am dissolving sandhis and reading the verse. Na vatsa darpat, na bhayat, na vibhramacha, na vibhramat, kulam cha naha satyasandham bravimite, katham bhavan Nichapathe pravartate. This is what he says. He says, Pitu niyogat. Vatsa aham pituhu niyogat. That means father's command. By father, his anushyasanat, his adnyaya, vanam agataha. You know, na darpat, no bhayat, no vibhramat. There was no darpa or bhaya or vibhrama involved in it. What was that darpa? Jeshtaha gunasampannaha aham. You know, I am the eldest one. I am really very, having good qualities, virtues. Aham katham pitra avamanitaha. How come father insulted me? Ataha na tat sammukhe sthasyami. You have insulted me. That's me being the eldest one. You have insulted me in front of everybody. This is not correct. You have insulted me, so I will not stay here. I will not see your face at all. Not tat sammukhe sthasyami iti avalepat. This is his wounded pride. That is darpa. But I have not come because of such kind of a darpa to vana. Na bhayat. Na bhayat means na balavataha pituhu bhayat. My father is balavan. That is why I am scared to stay with him. And that is why I have come here to vana. No, not for that reason. No darpa, no bhaya. Now, na api vibhramat. Vibhrama is buddhibhransha. Buddhibhranshat vanam agataha. Na aham buddhibhranshat vanam agataha. Jeshtaha sannapi. Though I am the eldest one, Pitra Rajyat Pratyavitaha. My father has removed me from the, got me off the kingdom, Rajyasana. Kim karishe, now what will I do? Iti king kartavya mudhata. What shall I do now? I don't realize what, there is a vibhrama, there is a sambhrama in my mind. What should I do? Kim kartavya. Kim kartaveta. Shall I do this or shall I do that? You can't decide. Your mind is undecided. That is called king kartavyata. And there is mudhata also, because mind cannot think. So this was vibhrama. So there is, vibhrama. He was angry, he was young. Maybe you think that I am angry, and because of that anger, there is buddhi bhrausha or vibhrama in my mind. No, it is not like that. You must have studied this verse in Bhagavad Gita. Krodhat bhavati sammohaha, sammohat smruti vibhramaha, smruti vibhramat buddhi nashaha, buddhi nashat pranashyati. So this is vibhrama. This is not the reason why I have come here. I have not come here in Vana because of this vibhrama. Kintu pitruniyogat sarvatha pitruniyogaha sarvatha anushtatavyaha iti. Now further he tells him, kulam chanaha satyadhanam bravimite. Now I tell you that naha, that is asmakam, kulam satyadhanam. Satyadhanam. And you know meaning of Satyadhana. Satya eva dhanam yasya. That kula is Satyadhana. Katham bhavan nicha pathanam nichanam pantha pitruniyoga aparipalana rupa is nichanam patha. So by nichanam pantha pitruniyoga aparipalana rupaha tatra kutsita marge pravartate katham, by going against my father's wish. So he convinces him. Now Sumantra says, Sumanta is standing there listening to their conversation. Now he feels Rama is correct, but will Bharata agree to what he says? So he asks in between, Atha idanim abhishekodakam kva tishtatu. He has brought that abhisheka jala with him. And now he says, Atha idanim, now kva tishtatu bhavataha shirasi. That means bhavataha shirasi, that is Ramasya shirasi or Bharatasya shirasi ityarthaha. Finding the two brothers undecided as to the acceptance of the kingdom, Sumantra asks this question. And Rama coolly answers him, Yatra me matra abhihitam tatra eva tavat tishtatu. Yatra me matra abhihitam. Whatever my mother said, wherever my mother has said, let it be there only. Because the mother's word is also to be honored. Mother's word is also to be honored. That is Rama. That is his thinking. Cool, doesn't get disturbed at all by any kind of calamity. See, such a wonderful character is of Rama. Bharata, however, felt Rama's words like a stab given to him, because he uttered his mother's name. Whatever his mother has said, he has to follow. By listening to that, Bharata is disturbed. He says, alam vrane prahartum. Don't Vrana is being the wound inflicted on his mind by his mother Kaikeyi. So there is already a wound. Now you don't, hit me again at the same vrana. Don't hit me at the same place again, please. And then he says, he puts his, argument further. Api suguna, that is 21st verse. Api suguna mamapi tvat prasutihi sa khalau nibhruta धीमान स्ते पिता मे पिता च सुपुरुष पुरुषाणां मातृदोषो न दोषो वरद भरतमार्तं पश्य तावत यथावत. हे वरद भरतम आर्तं भरतं पश्य तावत यथावत. Let us find out what he wants to say. He calls him He Suguna, Sushtu Gunaha Asya iti Suguna. That is Sambodhana. Api Suguna Prasutihi Mamapi Tvat Prasutihi Prasuyate Anaya iti Prasutihi. That is Prabhava. Mula Purushaha इत्यर्थः. तव प्रसूतिः वंशः इत्यर्थः. ममापि प्रसूतिः च. Your prasuti and my prasuti, they are the same. न किम इत्यर्थः. निभृतधीनां स खलु निभृतधीमान् स्ते पिता मे pita cha. That nibhrutadhinam means firm-mindedness and talented. Who is a firm-minded and talented pita, that is Dasharatha. Nitaram bhruta is nibhruta. Shrestha nichala va dhihi buddhihi tadvan is nibhruta dhiman. Saha khalu te pita mama cha pita. Your father and my father is the same person. They are same. He Supurusha. Bharata appeals by this to his brother's noble-mindedness. He Supurusha, Sushtu Purusha, Purushanam Matrudosho na doshaha. Matrudoshaha means Matrukruta aparadhaha. Matrukruta aparadhaha. Purushanam naranam na doshaha. He Varada, this is purposely used. You have, that means He Varada, Varam dadati iti Varada, and this is purposely used as you have the power. Rama is Varada because he has the power, if you mean, to grant me my wish. Anena mama abhishtam kartum tvam samarthaha asi iti dhvanitam. Varada bharatam artam pashyatavat yathavat. Artam apannam bhartam yathavat yathartha rupena pashyatavat. He says, oh, that means, oh, you possessed one, you possessed of excellent virtues, api suguna, is not your race, my race also? Tvat prasutihi, mama api prasutihi. And surely the eminently talented king is your father and my father as well. And then he says, Supurusha, the fault of a mother, Matrudoshaha, does not attach itself to men. Na purushanam doshaha. O Varada, grantor of a boon, Varada, do look at Bharata, who is distressed in the proper light. You look at Bharata in proper light and grant him what was Ishta to him. Varada. Sita says, Aryaputra ati karunam mantrayate bharataha. Sita is touched by his speech. Being a woman, they are generally soft-minded. So she is touched and she says, Aryaputra ati karunam mantrayate bharataha. Kim idanim Aryaputrena chintyate. What do you think? What my husband is thinking now? Rama says Maithili. He calls her Maithili here. He has never called her Sita, I think. Throughout this drama, I don't think I have, read anywhere that he is calling, her by her name Sita. He said, what Rama says, Tam chintayami nrupatim suralokayatam yena ayam atmaja vishishta gunaha na drushtaha. Idruk vidham gunanidhim samavapya loke dik bho vidhehe yadi balam purushottameshu. He says, Tam chintayami. Nrupatim suralokayatam. Suralokayatam, that means Swargagatam. Suraloka, Devaloka. Devaloke yatam tam narapatim chintayami. Yena ayam atmaja vishishta gunaha na drushtaha. Ayam atmajasya vishishtaha udatta gunaha na drushtaha na lakshitaha iti. Bhratru prema. What was this udatta guna of his son, that means of Bharata, that is Bhratru prema, anyayacharana parangmukhata. If there is any anyaya acharana, he will be, will not bear it. He will not become parangmukha to that, but he will, retaliate and he will try to correct it. So these kind of udatta gunas are with Bharata, and that Surapati has not seen. He has not lakshita. Idruk vidham gunanidhim. Idruk vidham, that means etadrusham gunanidhim gunamayam putram. He is a nidhi of good qualities, good virtues. Gunanidhim, nidhi of gunas. Samavapya loke, samavapya labdhva loke, labdhva loke yadi vidhehe balam tarhi dhik bhoho. Daiva paravashyam ativa anuchitam iti bhavaha. Now he is of this quality. The idea behind this is a Purushottama. A Purushottama, one with a supreme stock of religious merit. One who has got supreme stock of religious merit, that is Punya. And that Punya alone can have a son who is Gunanidhi. That means Dasharatha must have committed, lot of Punya, that is, so he has got supreme stock of religious merits. Now, only such kind of a person can have a putra like Bharata, who is a Gunanidhi. And Hitopadesha, in Hitopadesha, it is, there is a verse, Punya tirthe krutam yena tapa क्व अपि अतिदुष्करं पुण्यतीर्थे कृतं येन तपः क्वापि अतिदुष्करं तस्य पुत्रः भवेत् वश्यः समृद्धः धार्मिकः सुधीः. Only a person who has done ati dushkara krutya at Punyatirtha of following ati dushkara tapa, thus only those kind of people, tasya putraha bhavet vashyaha, that means his ajna palakaha, samruddhaha dharmikaha sudhihi sushtu dhiyaha yasya, who has very good, mati, buddhi, sudhi. So if the fate has power over such a man, even if of the fate has power over such a man even, then dik vidhe, dikkara to that fate, Aho, now similar here also, in Pratima Gruha, this is a third chapter, Bharata says, Aho Balavan Mrutyuhu. He says, if he had such a good kavacha, the protection around him, that Sahasra Brahmana, they were blessing him all the time, Punya Havachana, all the time they were blessing him, and Balavan Mrutyuhu Atikrantam. Here also Balavan Mrutyu took him away. Same idea here also it is seen. Now he says, Vatsa Kaikeyi Mata. He again calls him Kaikeyi Mata. He is a Mata Kaikeyi. Yasya. Yat Satyam. Rama again says, Yat Satyam Paritoshito asmi bhavata nishkalmashatma bhavan tvat vakyasya vashanugo asmi bhavataha khyataihi gunaihi nirjitaha. Now he says, shall I tell you the truth? I heard you. I heard your talk. I heard your arguments. I saw your behavior, everything about you I learnt now. So, yat satyam, really speaking, bhavata paritoshitaha asmi. Bhavata paritoshitaha snehamayena saralena cha vyavaharena santushta antarangaha krutaha asmi. I am very much pleased. I am very happy. My antaranga is santushta. You have done it. How? Bhavata nishkalmashatma bhavan. Your snehamaya mayena saralena, you are straightforward, you are loving, you are straightforward, and your vyavahara, your behavior, it's, has made me santushta antarangaha, so I have, bhavan nishkalmashatma, that is your nishpapa buddhi. There is no papa involved. Your buddhi is nishpapa, nirgatam papam yasmat iti nishpapa buddhi. Nishkalmashatma, nishpapa buddhi, na te manasi papalesho api. Rama could clearly see that there is no papa lesha. Lesha means even the smallest quantity of papa does not exist in your mind. Bhavataha khyataihi gunaihi nirjitaha, that means parajitaha krutaha. Bhavataha khyataihi gunaihi, your gunas are famous, and due to that, because of those gunas, I am nirjitaha, that is parajitaha krutaha. Tad vakyasya vashanugo asmi. Tvat vakyasya vashanugaha vashyaha asmi. I am carried away by your talk, Kintu, that is kintu. Kintu etad rajye भरतः अभिषेक्तव्यः इति इदं नृपतेः वचनम् अस्ति इति शेषः. किन्तु एतत् नृपतेः वचः, what was that vacha? एतद् राज्ये भरतः अभिषेक्तव्यः. एतत् नृपतेः वचस् तद् अनुकृतं तद् अनृतं कर्तुं. तद् अनृतं, that is false. अनृतं, न नृतं, अनृतं. नृतं is satya, अनृतं is false. तद् अनृतं कर्तुं न युक्तं त्वया. किंच उत्पाद्य भवत्विधं भवतु ते मिथ्याभिधायि. किंच, just a minute, किंच उत्पाद्य भवत्विधं भवतु ते मिथ्या अभिधायि पिता. The na should be taken from the first line. Na yuktam tvaya kinchit utpadya bhavatvidham na bhavatu te mithyabhidhayi pita. That na has to be carried on to the second line. That means kincha bhavitvidham गुणसंपन्नं पुत्रम उत्पादय अपि ते पिता मिथ्या अभिधायी भवतु न एतत् उपपद्यते. It is not correct. A person like our father, king, he has done lot of punya, that is why he has got a putra like you. Kincha utpadya bhavatvidham. That is why he has, created a son like you. And from you, this kind of behavior is not correct. So if if by your behavior, your pita becomes mithya abhidhayi, talks all false, wrong, let him not be known like this. Or let him not get that blemish on his charitra. It's not correct. So, na etat upapadyati. This is not correct. So, Bharata says, yavat bhavishyati bhavan niyamavasanam tavat bhaveyam ihate nrupapadamule. He says, yavat bhavataha चतुर्दश वर्ष वनवास रूपस्य नियमस्य भवन नियम अवसानम. That niyama was चतुर्दश वर्ष वनवास रूपस्य नियमः. यावत् भवतः नियमः अस्य, that is वनवास व्रतस्य अवसानं समाप्तिः. अवसानं means समाप्तिः भविष्यति. तावत् भवेयम इह ते नृप पादमूले. तावत् अहम इह तव पादमूले भवेयम. That means व्रतस्य वनवास व्रतस्य अवसानं समाप्तिः. अवसानं means समाप्तिः. दिवसावसानं means समाप्ति of divasa, and that is Sayamkalaha. That is avasanam. When vanavasa vratasya, when this vrata comes to end, that is Chaturdasha Varsha, after 14 years, Tavat, till that time, हे नृप इहते पादमूले त्वत् आश्रितः भवेयम. I will be here as your ashrita. That means you give me ashraya. I will be at your feet. That's what he wants to say. Anena tvam eva raja iti suchitam. That means I am not going to accept that kingdom. You are the Raja. That is also suggested in this. Now Rama says, Ma evam nrupaha स्वसुकृतैः अनुयातु सिद्धिं मे शापितः न परिरक्षसि चेत् स्वराज्यम. Rama says, Ma evam nrupaha स्वसुकृतैः siddhim falodayam anuyatu, that is labhatam. Swasukrutaihi anuyatu siddhim nrupaha. His own deeds, siddhim, that is falodayam anuyatu, that means let him get. Me shapitaha evam api swarajyam nijarajya kartavyam na parirakshasi chet मम शापितः मम जीवनेन शापितः अभिशप्तः भविष्यसि त्वम्. Rama is very firm. He is not soft. Wherever he is expected to be firm, he is firm. He is firmly telling Bharata that your father, let him get the fruit. He has gone to Swargaloka by his own merits. So let him get its fruit. Me shapitaha. If I, tell you firmly, me shapitaha, na pariraksisi chet swarajyam. If you evam api swarajyam Nijaraja kartavyam. Nijaraja kartavyam, if you do not follow, na parirakshasi, if you will not, do not protect, if you will not protect this Rajya, chet mama shapitaha. I will give up my prana, I will leave my pranas, I will not live anymore. Mama shapitaha, mama jivanena shapitaha. When Rama was not willing to accept kingdom, when Dasharatha was, asking him, idam rajyam gruhyatam, Rama was not willing to accept the Rajya because he wanted Maharaja to be on the throne and he wanted to be his son. Pitrubhava vatsabha putra. And I will be your putra. So he was not willing to do that. And plus he thought of, some other thing also, that if I look after the kingdom, I will not have my father with me, because that was the riti of Raghukula. He will go to Tapovana and, will be away from me. So he was not willing to accept the kingdom. That time Dasharatha was also, firm, and he said, Pranahi Shaptaha, Jivitena Shaptaha. So here also the same thing. Bharata is not willing to take his kingdom, and not willing to go back to Ayodhya. So he says, Mama Jivitena Shapitaha Abhishaptaha Bhavishyasi Tvam. Now Bharata says, Hanta, Anuttaram Abhihitam. Uttaram nasti, anuttaram. No uttaram, anuttaram. Na uttaram nasti. But he says, Bhavatu samayataha te rajyam paripalayami. I will protect your kingdom. Okay. I will protect your kingdom, but on one condition. One condition. Samayaha. That samayaha is one condition. Vatsa kva samayaha? Ka samayaha? What is that samaya? Bharata says, Mama haste nikshiptam tava rajyam mama haste nikshiptam चतुर्दश वर्षान्ते प्रतिग्रहीतुम् इच्छामि. मम हस्ते निक्षिप्तम. But that is your Rajya, which you have given in my hands. Chaturdasha Varshante, at the end of Chaturdasha Varsha, you will take it back. Pratigrahitum Ichchami. I want you to take it back. I desire you to take back your kingdom deposited in my hands at the end of 14 years. All are witness. And he says, Evam Rama says, Evam astu. Okay, let it be like this. Then Bharata says, Arya Shrutam, Tata Shrutam. Tata is Sumantra, Arya is Rama, and Arya Lakshmana also. So he asked all of them, have you heard this? Have you heard this? Have you heard this? You know, all are witnesses here. Sarve, they all of them say, Vayam api shrotaraha, Arya anyam api varam hartum ichchami. He says, what is that vara? Vatsa, kim ichchasi, kim aham dadami, kim aham anushthāsyami. What should I do? Rama agrees to that, and he says, I will not become, na niravadhi kalasya krute raja bhavishyami. That means I will not become raja permanently. And then the another one he wants to, tell Rama that padopabhukte tava paduke me ete prayachha pranataya murdhna yavat bhavan eshyati karya siddhim tavat bhavishyami anayor videyaha. Murdhna shirasya pranataya me mahyam ete padopabhukte paduke. Kashtha nirmite padatrane prayachha. Murdha shirasaya. You give me your padukas, and murdha give them. I'll keep it on my shirsha. Murdha shirasa pranataya me mahyam ete padopabhukte, which you have used. These padukas you have used, so you have used them, so they were with you. So the padukas he considers is a symbol of Rama, and he wants those padukas. Mahyam ete kash paduke padopabhukte kashtha nirmite padatrane prayachha yavat bhavan karya siddhim eshyati. When you have finished your karya and swakaryam sampadya agamishyati tavat. When you finish this work of yours and when you will come back, this rajya will be yours. Tavat anayoho padukayoho vidheyaha ajñakari bhavishyati. Tavat, till you come, anayoho padukayoho vidheyaha, that means ajñakari bhavishyami. I will follow the orders of this paduka. That means this paduka here is a symbol of Rama. Then the next, Rama says, Hanta bhoho suchirenapi kalena yashaha kinchit mayarjitam achirena kalena bharatena adya sanchitam. He says, Suchirena kalena api maya kinchit atyalpam yashaha kirtihi arjitam. To get this yasha and kirti, I took such a long time. Suchirena kalena. And that also maya kinchit atyalpam yasha kirti arjitam. What was that? Pitradnya anurodhat vanam agachata. I had earned that. Bharatena adya achirena kalena atishigrataya, quickly. Sumahad iti yashaha, the great yasha. Mine was atyalpa. His is great yasha arjitam. He earned it in a very less time. अहो भरतस्य महापुरुषत्वमिति भावः. अहो भरतस्य इति महापुरुषत्वम इति भावः. Here निस्सीम भ्रातृभक्तिः आविष्कुर्वता स्वयमेव प्राप्तमपि राज्यं परित्यजत इति भावः. भ्रातृप्रेमात् he had given up on his own the Rajya which was already given to him. He was about to get, it was his by all practical purpose. He gave it up, and this was his krutya. And because of that, sumahati kirti, yasha kirti arjitam. And then Sita says, Aryaputra nanu diyate khalu prathama yachanam bharataya. What was that prathama yachana? Paduka rupam vastuhu. Rama says, tathastu vatsa gruhyatam. Paduke arpayati. Bharata anugrihitosmi. Arya atra abhisheka udakam avarjaitum ichhami. Sumantra had asked the question, where shall I, abhisheko toyam kvo tishtatu. Now he is given that answer for that question to Sumantra. And he says, Arya atra abhisheka udakam avarjaitum ichhati. That is, Rama is king, so his padukas are abhisheka toyam arjitam. Tata yad ishtam bharatasya tat sarvam kriyatam. Rama says, Tata means to Sumantra. He says, whatever Bharata says, you give it to him. Do whatever he says. Yad ajñapayati ayushman. Yad ajñapayati ayushman. Bharata says, Atmagatam hanta bhoho shraddheyaha swajanasya pauraruchito lokasya drushtikshamaha स्वर्गस्थस्य नराधिपस्य दयितः शीलान्वितो हम सुतः. भ्रातॄणां गुणशालिनां बहुमतः कीर्तेर महत् भाजनम. संवादेषु कथाश्रयो गुणवतां लब्धप्रियाणां प्रियः. This is a verse. He says he is happy now to some extent, and he says, Shraddheyaha aham sampratam स्वजनस्य पौररुचितः लोकस्य दृष्टिक्षमः. अहम सांप्रतम स्वजनस्य, that is nija bandhu janasya, shraddheyaha, that means they can have faith in me, they can have vishwasa on me. I have become vishwasa bhajanam now. Of the people, swajanasya. Then pauraruchitaha, pauranam nagaranam, they are pauras, ruchitaha ishtaha jataha. Now they will love me. All those people in Ayodhya, now they will love me. Ruchitaha, that means ishtaha jataha. Lokasya drushtau idarshane kshamaha jataha. Otherwise people will not feel happy the people will not feel happy to look at me. But now they will look at me with love. They will accept me. Swargasthasya naradhipasya. Swargasthasya, that is divangatasya. Naradhipasya, that is radnyaha. Dayitaha shilanvitaha aham sutaha. Now swargasthasya divangatasya naradhipasya radnyaha, that is Dasharathasya, his shilanvitaha, that is sadvruttaha, dayitaha priyaha, sutaha aham sanjataha. Ramaya rajya pratyarpanat गुणशालिनां भ्रातॄणां बहुमतः बहुमान विषयः जातः. My brothers will also love me. They will give me bahumana. Kirtehe mahad bhajanam patram jataha asmi. I have become kirtehe mahad bhajanam, that is patram. Gunavatam samvadeshu kathashrayaha vag vishayi bhutaha, that is prastava vishayaha jataha. Now, so why? Saubhratrat. Because of my bhratru prema, people, when they will talk among themselves, they will talk about my bhratru prema also. So I will become their katha vishaya. And of whom katha vishaya? Gunavatam. Gunavatam samvadeshu kathash ashrayaha, that is vag vishayi bhutaha jataha. Labdha priyanam, that is adhigata kamanam, that is purnaha manorathaha yasya, they are adhigata kamanam, that is labdham priyam. Priyam labdham ramasya rajya prapti rupam yahi tesham sumantradinam priyam jataha. Everybody wanted to Rama to become Raja, so he is Raja, so everybody wanted that and they got it. Rama says, Vatsa Kaikai Mata Rajyam Nama Muhurtam Api Na Upekshaniyam. Never neglect Rajya. Tasmat Adya Eva Vijayaya Pratinivartatam Kumaraha. Start right now. You go back to Ayodhya. Sita says, Adya Eva Gamishati Kumaro Bharataha. Now today itself, he will go back to Ayodhya. Rama says, Alam atisnehena. Alam atisnehena. He says, Alam atisnehena means, don't show so much love, Don't get so much involved. Adya eva vijayaya pratinivartatam means you may find it difficult to leave us, but don't do that. Leave us and go back to Ayodhya. Arya adya eva aham gamishyami. I will go back today only. And he says, Ashavantaha pure pauraha sthasyanti twadridrukshaya tesham pritim karishyami tvat prasadasya darshanat. Ashavantaha pauraha puravasinaha pure nagare tvat tidrukshaya tvat avalokana utkanthaya, to see you. They are ashavantaha, they are asha, that they will see your face. Sthasyanti bhavishyataha, they will be waiting there to see your face. Tesham tvat prasadasya tvaya diyamanasya paduka rupasya. Tvat prasada, what was the prasada? Paduka rupa. Paduka rupasya darshanat pritim, that is prasannatam karishyami iti arthaha. I will show them, those people who are waiting to see you, to them I will show these padukas so that they will be very happy, Ayushman maya idanim kim kartavyam. Sumantra says, calls Bharata, what should I do? He says, Tata Maharajavat paripalyatam kumara. He calls Ayushman to Rama here. And he says, maya idanim kim kartavyam. What should I do now? Sumantra says, Yadi Tata Maharajavat paripalyatam kumaraha. Like you used to look after Maharaja Dasharatha, similarly you look after Bharata also. Sumantra says, Yadi jivami tavat prata prayatishe. As long as I am living, I will try for this. I will try to do this. Vatsa kaikai mata aruyatam mama agrataha rathaha. In front of me, in front of my eyes, in front of me, you get into that ratha. Yat adnyapayati aryaha. And then he gets into ratha. Ratham arohataha. Rama says, Maithili itastavat. Vatsa Lakshmana itastavat. And he calls both of them and he says, Ashrama pada dvara matram api. Ashrama pada tasya dvara matram. Only up to the gate of this ashrama, Bharatasya anuyatram bhavishyamaha. We will, reach, we will go along with Bharata till the gate of this ashrama pada. Not beyond that. Not beyond that. We will go up to this with Bharata and send him off. Saiti Nishkranta Sarve. So all of them, they go. Bharata back to Ayodhya, Sumantra brings him, and then Rama, Lakshmana and Sita, they go back to their ashrama pada. There ends the fourth act of Pratima. So many qualities, See, all three brothers, which they have shown here in this drama, they are all same. But see, there is a difference between Lakshmana, Bharata and Rama. Lakshmana and Bharata, they are almost similar, but Rama is different from them. Rama is different from them. So they all love each other, but all of them love Rama the most. This is Bhratru Prema. And this is their sanskaras, this is their bringing up in that family, because it is Ikshvaku Vansha, Ikshvaku Nam Vansha. So they are like this. In the next time we will, start with the fifth act. And let us see what happens in fifth act. All three of them have come back to ashrama. Now there is nobody but ashrama vasinaha and the people in that forest. Only they are there. Nobody from Bandhujana. And they are all alone there, living their life. So let us see what happens in such condition. Other ghatanas which follow, we will study them in our next meeting. Okay, so we will conclude here today. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om.